man out. He's always at a disadvantage because he can't see the. I think everyone's walking like this. You want to record it? Like everyone's walking in my way. I got you.
That's so messed up. That's evil. If you could hear, that would be better.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Like, if he was able to hear.
Am I saying someone with no legs be like, oh, well, if they had legs, I feel like it would be better.
Yeah, they would be better.
You don't say that. Fight the hands! Wait, he can get out. He must have been hard. That was a good match, guys.